Bees are fascinating insects that play a crucial role in nature and human life. Here's an overview about them. General characteristics. Classification: bees are flying insects in the superfamily Apoidea, closely related to wasps and ants. Appearance: they usually have hairy bodies, to help collect pollen, 2 pairs of wings, 6 legs, and compound eyes. Variety: there are over 20,000 known species of bees worldwide, ranging from solitary bees to highly social species like honeybees and bumblebees. Habitat and distribution. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. They live in diverse environments: forests, meadows, deserts, and even urban areas. Some species build hives or nests, while others live in soil, wood, or plant stems. Behavior and roles. Pollination: bees are primary pollinators for many plants and crops. Around 1/3 of human food production depends on their pollination services. Social structure. Honeybees and bumblebees are social insects, living in colonies with a queen, workers, and drones. Solitary bees live and work alone, without a colony system. Communication: honeybees perform a waggle dance to share information about food sources with other bees. Diet. Adults: they feed mainly on nectar, for energy, and pollen, for protein and nutrients. Larvae, fed with nectar, pollen, or royal jelly, depending on the species and role in the colony. Importance to humans. Pollination, essential for agriculture, supporting fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Products: honey, beeswax, propolis, and royal jelly are harvested and used for food, medicine, and cosmetics. Cultural symbolism: bees symbolize hard work, cooperation, and prosperity in many cultures. Threats. Habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases have caused a decline in many bee populations. Conservation efforts focus on creating bee-friendly environments and reducing harmful practices. Backhand index pointing: right, bees are much more than honey producers, they are vital to ecosystems and food security.